Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius. For your daily energies, for your career situation and relationship, Sagittarius, we'll be picking few cards, guys. So first for your daily energy, Sagittarius. These are the cards for your relationship and career situation. We'll be picking more cards, guys. So these are for your relationship, guys. These cards. For your career, I'll be picking few more cards. So these cards are for your career situation, guys. Sagittarius. So any questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about it, guys, and these cards for your relationship and career, it may answer those questions in your mind. So let's start with the daily reading first. So let's see what are the cards. Queen of Water, Magician, and Five of Air. So these are the cards for your daily energies, Sagittarius. So these cards may relate to your career situation or personal life situation, guys. So in your situation today, you are coming to some kind of understanding of your circumstance. You are feeling comfortable in your situation today. You are trying to nurture yourself, heal yourself. Maybe something was troubling you or stressing you, and today you are healing, and you are um, having that understanding. Not only your efforts are necessary today, you also need that higher power to help you in any situation, guys. So if you believe that higher power in you, helping you and guiding you each and every day, you will unleash that greater potential in life. So you will be able to create magic in your situation, guys, if you have that belief in that higher power, or have that trust and faith in your own self, in your uh, faith in yourself, guys. So we all have that part of that divine power in us, guys. So trust in ourselves will uh, also mean that trust in that higher being that is in us. So it will take us towards something positive today, guys. And maybe with people around you, they the way they are thinking and the way you are thinking, you may see some differences. So again, for some of you, some kind of conflicting situations you may be in. So it may be something in career or personal life, but whatever it is, you are having that deep understanding, guys, and you want to go in a harmonious way, Sagittarius. You are moving towards that harmony, and you are having compassion for yourself and for the people in your situation, guys, Sagittarius. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So let us see what are these cards first for your relationship. Messenger of Air, Seven of Air, and Seven of Fire. So with these cards, guys, in your relationship, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So in this relationship, you have maybe for some of you, you are reacting to this person or to this situation, guys, maybe because of your past. So you need to let go of your past, guys, whatever is troubling you. Maybe you have some preconceived ideas about your past, based on your past experiences, and you are thinking on that same line, but you don't know for sure what this person is thinking or what they are feeling, and you are least bit concerned about them, maybe. So that may again be the reason for stress. This may be your energy, guys, or this may be their energy towards you. So this time, if you are able to respond differently, forgetting the past, forgetting your preconceived notions, whatever you have, just thinking and responding truthfully to this present person, you may see that things will go in a different way today, guys. So, and also you need to have that, um, what to say, perseverance, guys. So, if you have that perseverance, uh, patience to hold on, you will see that things will work for the best for you in this connection, Sagittarius. So, that is what I see for your relationship, guys, Sagittarius. They may be quite selfish, also, guys, the way they are with you and the way they take some decisions in this connection. So, they are least bothered about you. That is what I see, guys. So let us see what are these cards for your career situation, Sagittarius. Strength, Page of Fire, and Ten of Air. So with these cards, guys, in your career situation, something of the past, maybe it is coming to an end, guys. Maybe some projects or some assignments, whatever, it was dragging or getting delayed, so it is coming to an abrupt end today, guys. But you are seeing that a beginning, a new beginning, maybe in something uh, in your career. So there is an ending, at the same time there is also a new beginning today. So you are happy for how things are proceeding. Maybe you have some stress because certain things were not working for in the past. Maybe some choices you have made, maybe the projects which were delayed or suspended. So some mistakes on your part, you were worrying, but today you know with clarity that at the right time, for all that effort and hard work, whatever you have put in, you will be able to taste success. You will be able to move mountains if that is what is needed, guys. So you are strong enough today, and you are having that courage, strength, and determination, that, and also that clarity and conviction in your life. So maybe some things were not working, but some things are proceeding in a positive way in your career, and you are happy for it, guys, Sagittarius. That is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius, and that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.